So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to get a same-day delivery on Amazon. So first, you need to access Amazon.com, and once you're in, you'll be needing to access your account by entering your credentials. And after that, scroll down until you find the product that you wanted to be delivered on your house at the same day. And after that, we'll be needing to go to your cart once you select it on Add to Cart. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, and after that, select which item or product you wanted to check out. So for example, this one, you will just toggle or put a checkbox right here and then click on the proceed checkout. But before that, if you wanted a same day delivery from Amazon, you should have a Prime account, which is currently I don't have one because I don't use this a lot. So I just have to click on the try Prime. So basically, Prime makes your delivery at the same time on the same day. And as you can see right here, it includes fast free delivery. Prime has a bunch of benefits that you could also use from Amazon, as well as on the video, music, and reading as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.